Hey guys, welcome back to my tech YouTube channel, Net Tech and Gadgets. I am back with a new unboxing video. Please do watch this channel till the end, and if you like it, then click the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the early notification of my videos. So let's go. Today I'm going to unbox two devices which is very much useful and also essential in this pandemic situation. One of these devices is an infrared contactless thermometer and another is a pulse oximeter. So let's unbox. This is infrared thermometer and it's contactless. The measurement of this thermometer is contactless. The operation is simple and it gives accurate temperature. It has a 3 years warranty and comes from a Indian company, Van Delay. It is made in India. You can measure your temperature at least from 3 centimeter to 5 centimeter. So let's unbox this product. It is totally sealed. It is fully sealed product. You can see it's a Van Delay and it's made in India and designed in USA. Okay, so let us unbox this device. So this is the product I'm unboxing. These are some paperwork. So let me put the box aside. This is a warranty card. Above 3 years warranty, they are also providing 1 year additional warranty which is free. So you have to register online. And this is the user manual how to use this product. I am keeping aside all this product. Now let's see what they are providing. 2 batteries, AAA batteries, and this is the product. So let me open the product. This is the device. This is the device. It's a nice device. It's a thermal gun, we can say, and it comes from Van Delay. It's an infrared thermometer. So let us insert the battery. This is the battery cave. One battery will be inserted like this and another like this. Let's see. No, it's wrong. The battery should be like this. And there we go. This is the Vandelay thermal gun or contactless thermometer. It has two modes. There are two modes. One is, you can see, it is now in body mode. Here is written body, it's in body mode. So you can measure the body temperature, and if we press this button, this mode button, then it will go for a surface mode. So you can measure the surface temperature or object temperature also. So let us see. We click the body mode and let's see how it measures the temperature. I am measuring my temperature and it's 97.3 Fahrenheit. Okay, it's 97.3 Fahrenheit or 97.5 Fahrenheit. So it gives your body temperature just from a distance. It's a total contactless thermal gun. Now I am testing object temperature. So I have to press this button and it converted to surface temperature. Now I am taking the surface temperature. I'm taking the temperature of this table. Let's see. It's 85.8 Fahrenheit. You can also change from Fahrenheit to centigrade. For that, you have to press this button, this mode button, for 2 seconds, and it will show the option for changing from Fahrenheit to centigrade. Now it is in Fahrenheit. If you press this plus or minus button like this, it goes to centigrade, or it will be back in Fahrenheit scale. See, if we go to centigrade scale, and then let's see how we measure. In centigrade scale, the surface temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, and if I go for a body measurement, then it will be 36.4. So, and it also has inbuilt memory, so you can store your temperature also inside this for your future use. So this is the product of Vandelay. Now I will be going for the next product, that is pulse oximeter. Now I am going to unbox pulse oximeter. This device measures your oxygen level as well as your pulse rate or your heart rate. So let us unbox. So let us first. Now let's see what is there inside. This is the pulse oximeter, and this is a hanging ribbon and a user manual, and this is a small user manual how to use this oximeter. So let me keep it inside. This is the ribbon and this is the oximeter. This is the pulse oximeter. I think the battery is inside this. Yes, the battery is inbuilt. The battery is inbuilt. Let's see. Okay, this is the pulse oximeter. So let us measure the oxygen level and the heart rate. For measuring your oxygen level or heart rate, this finger is used. So let's see. This is the on button. So first let me click the on button and insert the, so there it is measuring my heart rate and my oxygen level. This, my oxygen level is 98. This is the oxygen level measurement, and this is the pulse rate, that is 100. The 98 is my SpO2, that is oxygen level, and the 96 is my pulse rate or the heart rate. You can watch this particular measurement in landscape mode or even in portrait mode also. This is the portrait mode. So in both mode you can watch the measurement as per your convenient. This particular device has a LED display, and it is nice and bright and clear, and this is a product of China. As per their guidelines, after the measurement of your oxygen level as well as your heart rate, and after removing the finger from this device, the device automatically shuts down. And it is recommended that after every use you should clean the inner part of this portion with alkyl propyl spirit. So this is a pulse oximeter which comes from China. It's made in China. So that's it. I have unboxed two products today. One is infrared thermometer contactless and one is pulse oximeter. So if you like this video, then please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get my early notification of my next video. Thank you very much, and I will be back with another unboxing video very soon. Thank you very much.